talking about umbrella policies, what they are, and why they might be a smart move for both your personal and business insurance. Let's start with the basics. An umbrella policy is extra liability coverage that kicks in when the limits of your primary policies, like home, auto, or business insurance, are exhausted. It's designed to protect you from major claims and lawsuits that could otherwise wipe out your savings or business assets. For personal coverage, imagine you're at fault in a serious car accident. Your auto policy covers up to a certain limit, but if the damages or injuries exceed that, an umbrella policy helps cover the rest, potentially saving you from financial ruin. For business owners, liability risks are everywhere. A customer slips and falls in your store, a lawsuit arises from an employee's actions, or a claim exceeds your general liability limits. An umbrella policy extends your protection, helping ensure one big claim doesn't put you out of business. That being said, it's important to understand the limitations of an umbrella policy. While it can extend your coverage, it doesn't cover risks that are excluded by your underlying policies. For example, if your policy doesn't cover certain situations, like intentional acts, certain business activities, or professional liability, an umbrella policy won't step in to cover those either. It's meant to extend existing liability coverage, not create new protections for excluded risks. However, there are some exceptions to this rule. A personal umbrella policy does provide coverage for many personal injury claims that typically are not included in a standard homeowner's policy. This can include situations like libel, slander, or false arrest. For example, if someone sues you for defamation over something you posted online, your homeowner's policy might not cover it, but an umbrella policy could. It can also cover certain legal claims related to wrongful eviction or invasion of privacy. Umbrella policies typically start at $1 million in coverage, and additional coverage can be added affordably. Considering the potential costs of lawsuits, medical bills, or property damage, it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. So do you need an umbrella policy? If you have assets to protect, high-risk exposure, or want extra financial security beyond your standard insurance, it's worth considering.